Throughout history, humanity has been defined by its ability to reshape the world around it. From the earliest stone roads to the soaring skyscrapers and sweeping bridges of today, our greatest achievements are often measured in steel, concrete, and ambition. These mega-infrastructure projects are more than just feats of engineering. They are the backbone of modern civilization, connecting people, powering economies, and shaping the very way we live and interact. Among these grand undertakings, mega-canals stand out as some of the most transformative. These colossal waterways have redefined global shipping, altered the flow of commerce, and even shifted the balance of power between nations. By linking distant oceans and continents, they have made the world smaller, faster, and more interconnected than ever before. The Suez and Panama Canals are legendary examples. Their construction changed the course of history, opening up new trade routes and revolutionizing global logistics. These canals proved that human ambition, when paired with ingenuity and determination, can overcome even the most daunting geographic barriers. They became symbols of progress, power, and the relentless drive to connect the world. Now, in the 21st century, China is preparing to write a new chapter in this ongoing story. With plans for a mega canal of its own, the nation is poised to once again redefine what's possible in the world of infrastructure. But this project is more than just a waterway. It represents a bold vision to supercharge China's economic growth, expand its influence on the global stage, and secure its place as a leader in international trade for generations to come. As the world's economic and political landscape shifts, Beijing is doubling down on physical trade routes. By investing heavily in maritime commerce, China is betting that the movement of goods across oceans will remain a cornerstone of global prosperity, even in an age of digital transformation. The construction of this canal is a generational gamble, one that reflects China's long-term vision and willingness to take bold risks for its future. It's a project that will require immense resources, coordination, and resolve, but the potential rewards are equally monumental. This is more than just another infrastructure project. It's a statement of intent, a declaration that China is determined to build the infrastructure of the 21st century and shape the world's future. The story of this canal mirrors the story of modern China itself. Ambitious, strategic, and fiercely determined to shape its own destiny, no matter the obstacles. Join us as we dive into the details of this monumental project, exploring the vision, the challenges, and the global impact of China's new mega canal. In May 2025, China approved the Jiangxi-Zhejiang Canal, a $50 billion, 767-kilometer engineering marvel that stands as one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in the country's modern history. This monumental canal is designed to reshape the very landscape of eastern China, carving a new path for commerce, industry, and regional development. This isn't just a new waterway, it's a high-capacity shipping artery built to accommodate some of the world's largest vessels. The canal will allow for the seamless movement of goods on a scale never before seen in this region, reducing bottlenecks and streamlining logistics for countless industries. The canal links Jiangxi, a province rich in mineral resources and natural wealth, to Zhejiang, home to powerhouse ports like Ningbo Zhoushan, one of the busiest and most advanced ports in the world. This connection is set to create a direct, efficient corridor between inland production centers and the global marketplace. It's a strategic bridge between China's industrial heartland and its export-driven coast, enabling faster, more reliable transport of goods. By linking these economic powerhouses, the canal will help balance regional development and foster new growth opportunities for cities and industries along its route. Jiangxi's rare earths and raw materials will flow directly to factories and ports, fueling China's manufacturing might. This direct access will not only lower transportation costs, but also ensure a steady supply of critical resources for high-tech industries, electronics, and green technologies. The canal is central to China's plan to modernize its inland waterway network, offering a cheaper, greener alternative to road and rail. By shifting freight from highways to water, China aims to cut emissions, reduce congestion, and promote sustainable growth across the region. By connecting the interior to global shipping lanes, China aims to unlock new economic efficiencies, making it easier for businesses to reach international markets and strengthening the country's position as a global trade leader. The Jiangxi-Zhejiang Canal is the flagship of this vision, internal development as the foundation for global ambition. It's a testament to China's ability to dream big and execute on a grand scale, setting the stage for a new era of connectivity and prosperity. But how will this canal transform China's logistics? The answer lies in the unprecedented integration of inland and coastal economies, promising to reshape the flow of goods, people, and opportunity for generations to come. The canal's purpose is clear: to transform the way goods move across China, linking the vast heartland directly to the global marketplace. By creating a superhighway for goods from China's interior to its coast, the canal opens up new economic arteries, allowing products to flow efficiently from inland factories and farms to bustling coastal ports. Water transport is not only far cheaper and cleaner than road or rail, especially for bulk cargo, but it also reduces traffic congestion and pollution in major cities. Massive barges will carry minerals, grain, and other agricultural products directly to coastal factories and ports, bypassing congested highways and railways. This direct route means fewer delays and less risk of bottlenecks. The result? Lower transportation costs, faster delivery times, and a more reliable supply chain for Chinese manufacturers and exporters, helping them stay competitive in global markets. The canal will also spur investment in inland provinces, encouraging new industries and jobs, balancing development, and reducing the overwhelming pressure on coastal megacities. But it's not just about economics. It's also about strategic security, ensuring a state-controlled corridor for critical resources like rare earths, energy, and food supplies, all vital to China's future. By reducing reliance on vulnerable transport networks that cross borders or depend on foreign partners, China strengthens its economic self-reliance and resilience against global disruptions. In this way, the canal becomes both an engine for growth and a shield for China's supply chains, ensuring the nation's prosperity and security for decades to come. But how does this ambitious project compare to other mega canals around the world? Let's take a closer look. To understand China's ambition, compare the Jiangxi-Zhejiang Canal to the iconic Panama Canal. Panama is a global choke point, vital for world trade and U.S. interests. China's canal, though domestic, is even longer, 767 kilometers versus Panama's 82. While Panama connects oceans, China's canal connects its own economic heartland to the world. Recent shifts in Panama's port control highlight the risks of relying on foreign infrastructure. China's experience in Panama has reinforced the need for secure, homegrown trade routes. The Jiangxi-Zhejiang Canal is a strategic response, an internal corridor immune to foreign influence. It's a $50 billion investment in sovereignty and economic power. This canal is also a key piece in China's global trade puzzle. The Jiangxi-Zhejiang Canal is a vital link in China's broader Belt and Road Initiative. It acts as the first mile in a global supply chain, funneling goods from inland China to world-class ports. From there, exports travel the Maritime Silk Road to markets across Asia, Africa, and Europe. By optimizing domestic logistics, China strengthens its entire export ecosystem. The canal also reflects China's strategy of building redundancy and control into its trade networks, reducing reliance on global choke points. It's about building dominant infrastructure at home and abroad, setting the terms of global trade. The canal is a launchpad for China's commercial expansion and a symbol of its ambition. But not everyone is convinced this project is without cost. Mega projects like this canal come with serious concerns. Environmentalists warn of massive ecological disruption, habitat loss, water pollution, and risks to agriculture. The displacement of communities and land acquisition could spark social unrest if not managed fairly. The $50 billion price tag raises questions about economic returns and debt risks. Critics argue the funds might be better spent elsewhere, or that the project's benefits may not reach ordinary people. The canal also highlights China's state-led model, efficient but often criticized for sidelining dissent and environmental safeguards. It's a showcase of power, but also a flashpoint for debate about development versus preservation. So, what could this mean for global shipping? The canal will make Chinese exports cheaper and faster, boosting the country's edge in global markets. Major ports like Ningbo Zhoushan will see even more cargo, reinforcing China's dominance in shipping. This could shift regional trade patterns, drawing more traffic to Chinese ports at the expense of others. The canal is a model for infrastructure-led growth, one China could export to other nations through the Belt and Road. But as China becomes more self-sufficient, other countries may accelerate efforts to reduce dependence on Chinese supply chains. The result could be a more fragmented, competitive global economy, with China at the center of its own sphere. The canal is not just a domestic project, it's a catalyst for global change. As the canal takes shape, what future does it signal? The Jiangxi-Zhejiang Canal is more than engineering. It's a vision for China's future. It's a bet that physical trade routes will remain vital in a digital age. The canal aims to bridge China's internal divides, secure resources, and reinforce its economic core. Globally, it strengthens China's role in supply chains and sets new terms for trade. Yet questions remain. Will the benefits outweigh the environmental and social costs? Who truly gains? This canal is a channel through the earth. And through the established order of global commerce, its completion will mark a new era, watched closely by the world.